Remake da ajui khamdaya paubing Manipuri Bharat Joro Nyaya Yatra hapoki kachi state chokarna ari ena tangda khamaya mamitura Meghalaya shokra ena jingri khwai jan ngazek gazatli Hey Neutral National Liberation Council mazang numera jahira Morally Clay Senior police officer kuthumri attack sa kawai khangran kasa pau shada security saklak ena ingsang haira Lekyang thar aja da Tangrur Express pau jingchon HH shimri ina pa mitale pau peng mesai na nangumsa Manipuri Bharat Joro Nyaya Yatrawi sticker campaign launch sahira rakra tarik trada mati thang Imphal we aina hapok gigaji Congress wi Bharat Joro Nyaya Yatrali kagdom sada Manipur British Congress Committee MBCC na sticker campaign hi matang BD Road Imphal launch samia Kuptang sticker campaign hi Indian National Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge na national level launch samikaina Rania Jide Congress Legislative Party leader Okram Ibobi na kahang BJP na thanda khale shokar wi azingni Manipur wi constitutional machineries kala law and order wi ngapam shoijau ka hai hi Kuung wi yari sakor na theser da khalena India wi Supreme Court ena tangdala Manipur wi law and order ngapam ari rashungda Machingri rang da khalehi shohaira da bawsho kahina da Ibobi na hangsanga Ibobi na kahang BJP na kathan Manipur shokarwi azini yarena mushun masam kapang chungri kahai makhalai democracy le jom khamakan lera shumhaira Manipur wi wang mangmaningla Modi BJP khuung ngadei da wi yari li mushun samang ngsa khwai INC with Central Working Committee na yadrali wakushok na da hanga Rahul Gandhi na kathan Bharat Joro Nyaya Yatrawi convey Kangbokpi district Wakanda northeastern state kadeli wazalaga Mumbai li akupsangra lakawak yadraji kazatli ranye khwika khwai state chokarnak khamayama mila leitalai MBCC na sticker launch saka haitili chief secretary Dr Vinit Joshi li wasamphangda Bharat Joro Nyaya Yatra ji hapta kangjepung balis kambanwe ena hawpok khwai khamayaba bohaira MBCC na permission kabo acha hon tari khani thang kabiwa ka haina kha authority na ngahan ka malai thuachi Imphal East District Administration ni powalaka nauda maramji Home Department aina Chief Secretary Shong Mikal Hawa da MBCC President K Mekha Chandra na anga Manipur Bharat Joro Nyaya Yatra hakopok chili IACC President Chief Minister ex-Chief Ministers kala Congress MPs pingjang da national leaders thumna langda ungsangi kachina da Mekha Chandra na hanga Meghalaya shokar aina jan ngazek zadakhle proscribed group Hinyo Trip National Liberation Council HNLC na jan ngazek chili mazang numra da shokhaira bistok we aina withdraw ka salai officially misangra shahira Hangdak lehina Meghalaya wak kasangal lera ka hai insurgency jamna kui kawai sara ka hai li kahaka ling sakhaira group china shokar wi ning kasang khawat phenhaira athumna kapo HNLC li Unlawful Activities Prevention Act wi azingni bansa ka hai ji khwishok vai kala member jili cases panhai da khale saikora withdraw sakawai la boya athumna HNLC wi mi kala association ji mina da ningkhamong saikora li duknar ka hai wi aina ji homi khwai kala ga thana bingni jar khale saikora drop sami khwai la boya kala athumna matai makeup the general amnesty mi khwai boda khlena athum mi hangshon la shokarna sami khangai mathada muji theitu wada group china shokali maring phatura itumna thebaya HNCLW Kathana Bobby Marwin Maris Ranch Jakala Sengubar Nongtro Atumbingni Shillong Judicial Magistrate Court Kala NIA Court na Sumon Sada Masangranga Morally Kale senior police officers Atumni Dex Hakawai Kasa Ningkamong Leda Manipur Police na Saklap Aning Sanghaira Morally militant na shimdung aina sniper attack sakawai bau police na sampanga da hangdalai achako manipuri police officer akli sniper aina kaptat kahai ochotla le how the police na bau hi saklak aina khuitalai militant bina high ranking officer akatumni attack sakawai ningra kasa wirelessly chan ngazek kasa state intelligence na shakui kahai na chia militant na attack sakawai kasa manipur police senior superintendent combat nectar Sanjinbam 6 Manipur Rifle Battalion we Commanding Officer Balaram Haisna Kala Special Commando Unit Superintendent of Police Station DH Krishna Dombi Atumnina Jitele Officers Pingji Morelli Station Sasar Daklena Chan Kangzekji Shakwi the Morelli Security Measures Jakshin May Hirakala Target Officers Pingwi Bamni High Alert Aina Latele Maram Hi Mushungada Superintendent Krishna Dombina La Hanghaira Atun nang shalak ina later laya chia. Ukhrul District Donggo Ringwili Khalai Jubilee Mission School JMS Wivang Jishut mi opam hangdalai. English Wivang BA English Kupkahai now aka Social Studies aina Tangku Wivang BA Kupkahai Matalak aina Geography Tangba Quina aka Ninjangdalai. Science aina Mathematics Wivang BSc Kupkahai now aka Padalai. Kala class 7 aina azing bingni general subject tamji take vai 10 plus 2 kup kahai now mi matin injang dalai ninga sang bingna resume ringui bc@gmail.com ni aja kajang tharau direct trada jishet wi alungni mesang baira maram kup mai take vai 6909878915 maninga ka 6361645391 ni ngahan baira TBC Youth Union Kala Pungyo Baptist Church Youth Society na ngashik the Loshin Gundakle Rarkaru Ministry came Rumikwai Ngran Haira Chui Angran Angye Sakwai Tangul Baptist Churches Association DBCA with Youth Secretary Mr. Homreshang Muinaw Kala Youth with staff Yomaya Riva Aina Pungyo Baptist Church we Youth Society we member Kanina Guptang Loshin Gundakli Vayang Sanghaira Team Jina Loshin Kundak with Pastor Deacon Katana Bing Youth Secretary Kala Avung Rawi Minganing Bing di Asampanga. Rokaro Ministry came G Vari we Ungram Parifulu Tukui we Azini Ajawi Trada Kani Aina Tulaka Trada Panga Ina Tanda Muyon Kavai Langzin Sahiro. Loshin Kundak Kano Jili Zingum Hangjishet Kaka High George Laidalay Ramji Shongvu Vashung Pailala Black Dog Maham Rangda Zingrod Adam Liver, Kari 4x4 Maninga Cup Mazapaimana. Loshin Kundak, he is sub-district headquarters Puyerwi, and a kilometer tra, Zatvaya, Kala district headquarters Ukruwi, and kilometers 55 Tadalaya. 1952 Kum, Lingaka Jamlaka High Loshin Kundak Church, he Mazanda Koho Akana Tanda, Semkakana, Jikala Korum Shim, Lingakaji, Ukruli Kale DBC quarter, Aina Angayung Raya the Hanga. Ariri Kujili Mission Hangshini Shikale, later now Shinau Tumada Kni, Mayer Ngalatra the Panga, Galashin Gai Shinau Mirna, Mugoda Gatum later. Kello India were Azini Ukru district with badminton mender, Sakavai Hani Sanding Shenik Kapang Sanghira, I will Otbamji, contractual basis and a Zingum Akuivang Kapangasanga. Kello India were Azini badminton Jishut me Akasada, Kapangasang Wivang, Hani Sand Ninkashikajunga, Pungshoka. Jishut me Sakavai Apong, Kamivang Kala Ukru district Lee Sport, Libromot, Sakamivang, Manipur Badminton Association with Vice President, Kala Ukru district Badminton Association with President, IBS Dr. Aike Mivali, Hanisan and Ninkashi Pongshoka. Ayotiali Kaleram, Demble, Targajigatli, Kayakashi, Jitaida, Rakra, Tarik Mugada Kanedang, Assam, Dry State, Ainalera, Jahira. Assam with Tourism Minister, Jayanda Mala. Burana press conference likahang Ram Temple with Harkat Kakali Kayakashi Majut Sada Ajawitari Mugada Kani Assam ni dry de Mayona da Assam Shokar na Tuita Kuhera. Prime Minister Modi na Tanda NDA na Kamung States being with Chief Minister Natate da Kala meeting Taruk Langda na Tarau Darik Mugada Kanili Kwikagi da Kale Ayodhya Targajikat Ranye Jili Pangrum Kita Laitale. Lakavak, Rekasankura Kavai Pekar Akasada Assam Cabinet na National Food Security Act li Babai may Kavai Annual Income Lupa Lakmati Litio Kameshokar Ot Kasabing Kala Pensioners Pinila Ngaran mi Kavai Tuta Kuhera Reader Shokarwi Ot Kasabing the benefits G Mimi Samana Ka eligible Kasam mi Bingchina Ara health insurance la lupa lak phanga ka da Ayushman Bharat scheme wi azingni sambangra da hurana mujan sanga Ayodhya Ram Mandir tharkachikat Ranyeji United States New York City wi phawla ka high Times Square lina live stream samira ta leya Ragra North East India Film Festival 2024 Infali Rumiki ta leitale cinema na yari ring ni khanga jai kurag mikashap majud Later, Thauna Manipur na Film Forum Manipur and the Department of Broadcasting li ngshik the North East India Film Festival ji Manipur State Film Development Society wili mukhok mira. Pau hi organizing committee wi Chairman Yengkom Nilachandra na Pongshoka. Film Reji mukhok mi khwai kasangka ngarai hai kasana. India Minister of Information and Broadcasting na Kamayami Lakhaira da Nilachandra na ringapap Pongshoka. Nilachandra na kahang ni rojui mga ina filmmakers kala technicians bingu lamet katemnik katomi kwai kasahina kamataya ni ring saya cinema wi mga ina itume shangla kahai kale kamajan sam gabai ngishan hila chithai katom khangaila hangsanga North East India Film Festival 2024 hili Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, kala Tripura with filmmakers and producers mini ngohot serda atumi film misang khawaila chishat haira. North East Film Rahirakra Mayo March tarik katum aina hapokta shini aina tangda langzin sahira. Myanmar military jundana kamunglik ngurukaka khamataya phekar sada Myanmar Brotherhood Alliance na Kokang region ungshung washungda pangshap khui haira pawa thishoda khu ungni pangshap sing kasa military jundale kashamshok vai khangran kasali Joint Force of Brotherhood Alliance na Shan State we Kokang region saikura tharau tarik matili khayu sambang haira the Irrawaddy na khami pawa thishoda regime shipai tingkhani shamdi ling asoda generals tharuk Kokang region ni khlai Myanmar National Democratic Alliance Army MNDAA hamsang haira jia Hitada Kokang Bamkhui Kahai hi 2021 Gop we aina ra Kahai Jundali Kangaruk li hak mai thui da yuka khui ngasaya Tharau director we Pauli Sangapangta ka 1601 shimkunala Mandali hamsang hairajia Mandana kahang Kokang li military Jundana mamung li thuda apam ji free region zone na kalajina dictatorship we khangajang we hokopok ngasara jia 2022 with that Raha Dorik Mukuda Shini and Hogopok Operation 1027 with Azini Mandana Junda base Shakutum Gala down Tara Shika Suka Quina Mandana Yang Sankahai Bomji Low Kai Koho Bamla Zang the Myanmar Atoli Kale Kongnai Kui Aina Laylon Kawai Shomfu Kamataya Lipangshap Singahai Jitemia Local media outlet Popular News Journal Nakapong Readers we power at issue that Tharau Tarik Truk Tang Junda spokesman Zo Min Dun na Mandali Hamsangahai Pongshoka Kala Hamkasangji Jaina in a Myanmar Kamashitne Msaza Kawai Vang Kamayana Kajia border Jili Kangaja Karin Karak Kumi Kawai Jaina we under pressure the higher side Hangsanga Tharau Tarik Tumtang Manda Force and a Junda Jan Ngazek Kabamni Jundana Artillery Shijin Hauda Jaina Yunnan Province we media Saza Hawaji Chui Aina Chinese Deputy Foreign Minister Sun Weidong Myanmar Jin High Ambassador Color Regional Special and Voting Zizungna Junda Chief Ming Ong Heling Li Samaira Latluda Achuwi Kandaya Baubing Manipuri Bharat Joronia Yadra Hapoki Kaji State Chokarna Aria Enadanga Kamaya Mamitura Meghalaya Shokra Enajimri Kwai Jan Ngazek Gazatli Hey Neutral National Liberation Council Mazang Numera Jahira Morelli Clay Senior Police Officer Kutumri Etek Sakawai Kangran Kasa Pau Shadat Security Saklak Ena Ingsang Hira Ajawi pau hiling jang haira pau na tak lintum sai korli ringa pagala kamai jing mishong saseron